Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money in 2023 worldwide. In the digital age, making money online has become easy than ever before. With the right skills and knowledge and determination, anyone can usually earn a decent amount of money from the comfort of your home. So whether you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, a parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, this video is for you. So in this video, guys, I'll be literally sharing with you guys 4 steps you could literally use to make money online in 2023. So right now, the first step right now you need to do is to choose a niche. So the first step is to choose a niche. In order to make money online, you need to choose a niche. This is finding a topic or interest that you are passionate about. This is finding a topic or area of interest that you are passionate about, and you could create content around. It could be anything from cooking, it could be fitness, it could be technology, or it could even be gaming. So once you have choose your niche, you can start building up online presence by creating website, social media account, and also creating a YouTube channel. So the second step right now you could literally use to make money is by building your audience. So the next step is by building your audience. This means by creating valuable content that your target audience that are going to find useful. So this thing could be like entertaining or it could be informative. So you could create a video on YouTube or write a blog post or create a social media post. It is important to be consistent with your content and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Like I said, you have to build a loyal following, because if you do not have a loyal following, people aren't going to buy from you. Because no matter what you are going to be doing online, if you are selling online, you need to get people to trust you first. But once people trust you first, they are going to buy from you, because people do not like to buy from strangers if they do not know you. So you have to make sure you build a very loyal following. So the step 3 right here is to monetize your content. Once you have built a sustainable audience, so it's time to monetize your content. So there are various ways you could make money online. So this include ad revenue. You could earn money from ad display on your website or your YouTube channel. Like I said, if you already have YouTube channel, once you're monetized, you're going to earn ad revenue by ad displayed on your website. And also, if you have a blog, once you already monetize your blog, you can also make money by ad display on your website. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing by promoting other people's products on your website and also on your social media accounts, and you earn commission on any sales made through your affiliate marketing. Because right now you could try earn money through affiliate marketing. For those of you who do not know what affiliate marketing is, let me quickly simplify this. So affiliate marketing is a process whereby you get to sell other people's products and you make a commission. So let's just say, for example, you are recommending a phone. Maybe you bought a phone, you now recommend the phone, you send your friend the link to the phone, and once your friends buy the phone through your link, you're going to earn a commission. That is how you could make money from affiliate marketing. So you could also make money through sponsorship, through sponsored content. You can also collaborate with brands and create sponsored content for them. Like I said, in order to make money from this method I'm showing you guys, you need to first build a loyal following. Because if you do not have a loyal following, you won't be able to make money from sponsorship content, affiliate marketing, and all, because people won't want to buy from you because they do not really know who you are. Like I said, you need to build a loyal following, start creating content, and stop being a consumer. Like I said, if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop or some video. So the first step right now, the first step you can also use to make money is to stay up to date with trends. So the world of online business is consistently changing, so it is important to stay updated with trends and techniques. So this means keeping eyes on industry news, attending webinars, and also learning from other successful entrepreneurs by staying informed. So you can also stay ahead of curve and continue to grow your online business. So right now, making money online in 2023 is very easy than ever before by choosing your niche, by building your audience, by monetizing your content, by creating successful online business from anywhere you are. So you could literally start today right now and take your first step to financial freedom. So if you're literally looking for a way on how to start an affiliate marketing business that's going to earn you $2,000 online, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description right now. The link is going to be in the description right now. Just click on the link right now to go download to go join my masterclass, because I'll be teaching you in my masterclass everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to make sales, about how to make sales from affiliate marketing, how to convince people to buy from you, how to get traffic, and a lot more I'm going to teach you in this course. And also, if you want to learn how to create a successful online business, I've got a book that I've written all the secrets I've been using in making 7 figures for myself. So the book is going to be down in the description below, and also I'm going to be leaving the link to all these things in the pinned comment below. So you can literally go check the link in the pinned comment below. And also a video is going to be popping up right here on how to make money in Nigeria in 2023. So click on the link right now and let's go.